hot chocolate. It's one of my absolute mega favorites, and I'm gonna make you a really nice, real hot chocolate now with some proper stuff in it. I don't have marshmallows, so I feel a little bit like quitting right now, but I think we're gonna get there together. So, for a really good hot chocolate, all you need is a few ingredients. I'm gonna mix in some whole milk, and I think it does have to be whole milk for me because I absolutely love the extra creaminess. I also, and this is my little secret and my little guilty pleasure, I add a little bit of double cream in. Only a small percentage, but I find it actually just adds such a creamy flavor to your hot chocolate that it just tastes 10 times better. And then I'm gonna add in dark chocolate. Now I would recommend you use dark chocolate with minimum 70% because it really does give you a really good flavor. At the same time as being sweet enough anyway, it just makes it really, really tasty. And I've just chopped it up a little bit. And then, just another extra goodie, I'm gonna add just a tiny drop of vanilla bean paste. Not a lot, not even half a teaspoon, just a small drop to give it some extra flavor. And all you do is turn it on, and you could of course make this a boozy one because you could just add in a little bit of rum, and then in the winter time when it's really cold outside and you just want to have something at home, during Christmas for example, just have a bit of rum in there. I can't right now, but you can if you want. So we're just going to switch that on and cook it. We don't really cook it, we actually just warm it and melt it for a few minutes, and I'm going to show you what that tastes and looks like. Hot chocolate is done, and I am thirsty, and I'm really happy for this hot chocolate now because actually it smells beautiful. And this is basically what it looks like now. I mean, it's just hot chocolate, really nice hot chocolate. I could so see marshmallows going well in this, but unfortunately I don't have any, which makes me really sad. So when you're making this, make sure you have some marshmallows ready because it just goes really well. Now let's pour that in. And it does look like a really nice proper, this is proper hot chocolate, because you know how you get hot chocolate with cocoa powder, but this is proper real hot chocolate, and it tastes amazing because there's some added double cream, the little bit of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste if you have it, really adds a nice flavor. And I'm going to try that straight away for you. It's 80 degrees so you can essentially drink it straight away, and I'm going to try that. But it tastes absolutely fantastic. You can really taste that slight hint of vanilla. The double cream added a wonderful flavour, and I really, really like it. And you could obviously froth up some milk and actually add it into it, but I just really like how it is right now. Real, proper, tasty hot chocolate. And if you want to find more recipes like that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.